Abia, Keleno.
The newly constructed 22.5-kilometer Agalaba Ring Road, Phase 2, in Obingwa Local Government Area, built by Governor Okezie Ikpeazu, has been commissioned for use by the public.
This road, as you can see it, our people normally call it Ozaba. Ozaba those days was very bad. It was not too accessible.
Uzanya, other form ma before.
The governor described the road as key to the economic development of the state, especially the Aba area.
But today, we can see a tar road. Around 2020, that is when we saw some contractors with their machines, and they came and bulldozed this place. After that, this place now is tar road. We thank God for the tar road and who initiated it. We thank the governor for the Agalaba Ring Road that lead from Ward 7 Omibe through Ward 10 and Ozo. And here today we are standing here, Tobe Tuku. We thank God for our dear governor, Okezie Ikpeazu, PhD. Pray God to bless him.
Like most roads in the Aba metropolis, Governor Ikpeazu's administration embarked on rehabilitation and construction of new roads to give the people a sense of belonging, as well as improve on roads infrastructure. He called on the people to cooperate with his administration to realize the dream of leaving the state better than they met it. Project 022, Agalaba Ring Road.